Hey, it's Princekelly. God know what the option. Trapping on this beat and to make my own legacy. I ain't gonna stay in this world forever, cause I'm just a passerby. Yeah, wanna make sure I'm not distracted from all these shadows and shitty frivolities. This world is a jungle and you see many things that's gonna make you say why. There's many obstacles on the way, but I guess I gotta stand feet and face my battles, cause the battle's intense. I gotta defend, gotta make moves, aim at potential, but a very strong tense. No nucleus of a problem, got no strength to defend your territory. Got no what the option. I got no what the option. Gotta make my own legacy and make my people something to live for. I got no what the option. I got no what the option. Gotta make my own legacy and the really money come people, they gotta eat. I got no what the option. I got no what the option. I got no what the option. Gotta make my own legacy. Yeah, too many clues piled up in my head, and I find it really hard to be from them. I just wanna say a big shout out to the ones that love me first, then to the guys that fought me first. Cause I'm living in the world so cold, feel real bad and strange people, but that's how I learned to be bold. Yeah, trapping hard like I was told. Yeah, gonna stand and be bold. Yeah, buying and never be sold. Yeah, that's made me stronger. Yeah, never should've never give a shit. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell them, that my head has been distorted. Yeah, I'm just staying in my lane, don't give a shit about them. They be trying to see your spotlight, but I just keep on shining, eating and never sweating. They will never get it flow, what am I about? And that is why I keep on wanting about. I want another chance, just right to the base. Hey, spinning right to them, I ain't got no option. I ain't got no option. Just fulfilling my destiny, fulfilling my destiny, yeah. I got no other option. I got no other option.